Good morning, one and all. My name is Ghasiram. I am from Saraswati Bal Mandir Inter College, Rapura, Greater Noida. Today is the day of to conduct an activity, and in this activity we are going to deliver a speech. So this is the class of 8th class, and here are two judges also who will find out that who is the best performer to deliver the speech. So we start and see who will win the delivering speech activity. Thank you.
Thank you, Sasa. And I study in class 9, Saraswati Bal Mandir Inter College, Rapura, Kodapally. Respected principal sir, teachers, and honorable judges. Firstly, I thank you to my subject teacher to give me a chance to stand here and introduce ourselves. Today is an activity day, and the activity is deliver a speech. And my topic is importance of discipline in our life. Hey guys, we all know that discipline is very important in our life. If you achieve a well disciplined people, discipline is the key of success. Without the discipline, we can't live easily. Firstly, we go to school, the teacher teaches us our discipline. Discipline. If you achieve your goals and target, you have a self-confidence people. The discipline helps to build your self-confidence. You take example from the army soldiers, they are very and one of the best disciplined people in all over world. If they have mistake, the country pay the price. If you are a student and achieve your goals, you have a well disciplined student. At the last, I ask a thought. The self-discipline is the biggest investment in your life to be a success. Thank you, sir and judges, to give me a chance.
You respected principal sir and teachers and dear sister and brothers. First of all, thank you Mr. Ghasiram sir for giving me this golden chance to introduce myself. My name is Lovely Sharma. I study 9th class. Today this activity day, it is a wonderful activity. I haven't participated in this activity. The name of this activity of any topic, and my topic is education. We all know that education is a very important for everyone. Education is a basic need for everyone in the modern day of to live in life. Education it plays an important role in enabling user systems and service. Well-educated pupils different jobs and become successful in life. Without a good education, one will lose of a bright futures in our life. Education is the vital mechanism successful for future. And thank you so much.
Good morning to all of you. I am Lovely. I am studying class 8. Respected principal sir and my English teachers and all teachers and judges and you all my dear friends. So I am very happy Mr. Ghasiram sir is a good conduct activities in this activity. So today I am going to present a speech front of you. My topic is a self-confidence. First of all, what is self-confidence? Self-confidence means by having a belief of ourselves. Self-confidence cannot be taught in ourselves. It's a very important. Sometimes we need to development in ourselves. It's a very important factors in health and positive lifestyle. We all have different goals in our life, and we have achieved in goals. And self-confidence is a major factors in our life. And thank you all, and my principal sir, and you all. Thank you.
Very lovely good morning to all of you, respected principal sir, our teacher and parents, and my dear brother and sister. Thank you sir for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Kushumina. I study in 9th class. It is a wonderful activity. I have also participated in activity. The name of this activity is any of topic. My topic is the value of time. Today I am here to share my views. Of time. The importance of the time is the most important factor for the progress of human beings. Time is running conditionally. Time once gone to gone forever. Time it never come back. Time gives equal opportunity to all. It does not see the poor, rich, young or old, healthy or sick. It gives equal importance to all. We can view everything in the world with our many, but time can't be bought. Time is divided into past, present and future. Past and past, if had already gone, we learn with our past experience. If we utilize the present time properly, our future automatically become bright. We should never waste our present. Time is an undesirable activity. At last, I will say thank you so much, sir.
Hello, a very lovely good morning all of you. My name is Aryan Yadav. I study in class 9, section A. First of all, respected principal sir, teachers and judges. And very thank you to my English teacher sir, Mr. Ghasiram sir, to taking me a chance to deliver an activity. My activity name is Why India is Great Country. India was great country because different caste, religions are lived together as a friendly in India. India was developing country. It was a golden history. There are two religion texts, Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. Others country are connected to Indian and learn about Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. Many countries are study in our school colleges about Indian culture, Indian history and Indian subjects like Hindi, Sanskrit, etc. India was 28 state and 28 state was on nature, on stylish dress, stylish food and on other objects. India was great temples like Siddhi Vinayak in Mumbai, Kedarnath temples in Uttarakhand, Kashi Vishwanath temples in Uttar Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab. All around us, all Indians are great. According to me, India was great country all over the world. Thank you.